How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Trader King. I'm just so excited because, like, I made a video on Tesla. I was saying, we're going to have a big correction as we were hovering over the ATR4, which is my upper band, and it happened. We had this big, massive candle down 8%, and then the next day it went down a little, and then it started shooting up. So the reason why I was so confident is price action cannot sustain being like above the ATR4 and having time distance of not hitting this purple band, this EMA 5, and then not hitting the EMA 10. So everyone was calling me crazy up in here when I was saying we are looking to have right up in this area, we're looking for some puts, and I posted it on my YouTube video and my previous YouTube channel, and I said, I am buying puts for a massive correction and made massive money. And options are extremely risky, but when you see a setup like this that is an A plus setup, you can make lots of money. And a conservative EMA 5 bounce right up in here, we hit the ATR 4 here, and we went shooting down to hit at least the EMA 5, and then it decided to hit the EMA 10. And that's why we're starting to get this bounce effect, is because when it hits the EMA 10, you oftentimes get a trampoline effect where it starts to catch the price after it fell pretty harsh, and then it can go back down to hit the EMA 20. We will see. So, why was I confident? Here's a recap of Tesla. This is awesome, guys. I tell you, anybody that followed, I'm telling you, the premiums went up insane on July 11th. That was an awesome day, guys. So, what happened here is, yeah, we just were not hitting the EMA 5 for so long. And if you look at this candle right here, that's our last time we hit the EMA 5, guys. This candle right here where my cursor is, right here, you're physically touching this purple band. And if you see this, guys, you have we have 1 day here, 2 days here, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then that is extremely long. Anything that don't touch a bigger cap stock in like around 5 days is relatively long. And if you look at the K values, the indicator, that yellow indicator line down below, you'll see we were in the 90s. We had 94, like we're all in this 90s. So we're accumulating a big down move. And what I like to look at is I don't just short it like, I didn't just short it like minute it hits the upper band. I don't just short it. That's not how this strategy works. There wasn't enough time distance rated here. Option plays, you have to have an extremely good setup. The K was just not high enough. So what I did is I just waited it out, let it get some more wiggle room. And yes, you could have been scalping, minute it gets way up in here, it goes back down to hit the lower, upper band here, and you could have made massive money too, just scalping it if you wanted to. And then it goes back above into this massive black space, and then comes shooting down again, and then goes back above, and then shooting down again here. And then finally, when it hit this upper band, it just started tanking because price can't sustain this. We were hovering over this upper band here for a bigger cap stock. It won't sustain it, and it's going to correct. Can it go back up and make a new high from here? Absolutely. But here's the danger side. We hit the EMA 10, which is very nice. The last time we hit the EMA 10, which is this yellow band, was on this candle, 625. We touched it on 712. But you got to realize this, we're going to hit this EMA 20, which is this blue band. Price has to do it, always does it, and always will. As you can see, when, recent price action, as you can see, look at the price. It goes away from the EMA 5, 10, and 20, and then we start covering these things up. EMAs will always get touched. We just don't know when. So we take educated guesses, for, using a lot of other systems on how do we find the best entries. So yeah, people called me crazy, and bam, I'm up over 500% on that big drop over there, and I'm out. It is what it is. I know options are extremely risky, and that's why you can make those massive moves, but you got to take risks to make money, guys. This was an A-plus setup. Anybody that didn't see this and, you guys, that's just crazy. I was just saying, like, buy. I was like, no, I'm buying puts, guys. Yeah, so I really enjoyed this. I'm definitely out of my puts here. What I would do is, maybe, just maybe, if it hits this EMA 20, I could buy some calls, just like for NVIDIA. I'm going to show you NVIDIA chart. Kind of like similar pattern we might be able to see. So like right in here, guys, you see how I made a video on this. I shorted NVIDIA up in here, bought lots of puts, and what we saw was a massive correction to the EMA 5. I'm totally happy with this gain. And then it ended up going to the EMA 10 and the EMA 20. That was one of the biggest down moves in a very short amount of time. You had a 3% move, 3%, and then 7%. But from the high, it made a really good down move with the puts. And what you saw happen here is right in here, we start seeing this up move here, and then it goes back down, and then you're starting to climb up. Can we keep climbing up? You know, who's to say? And that's kind of what I think is Tesla's going to happen. You know, we had this big move. I think we might be able to hit this EMA 20. But with this big reaction of the trampoline effect, I think it's going to need some time. It might go a little zigzag like NVIDIA, hit it, and then go back up. So, yeah, that's my thesis. I do think there's more room to the upside for Tesla now that this big trend reversal happened. But I already made so much money on puts that I would not risk it anymore unless we start hitting this upper band of the ATR4, and then I would be looking to make massive money again. Same thing with the lower band. I will buy calls on Tesla if it's, you know, very similar to these kind of patterns. We were below the EMA 5 for quite some time. We're close to the lower band, and then we come shooting back up to make massive money. And that's kind of what we want to see here. You know, I will say Tesla does not hit the lower band much, and if it does, we need to capitalize on it. It's a very strong stock, it's very stable, and it's just a great company, guys. So, but you got to play both sides of the coin. As you can see right in here, upper band, hugging the ATR4 for quite some time, and then it comes shooting down to make massive money on your puts. So, that's the conclusion on Tesla. That's my recap. I just want to show you guys know I am out of my puts. I am up over 500%. I'm definitely taking that. I tried to scale out along the way, the first 50%, 100%, 200%, but I was like, this thing keeps going down. That was awesome. That was good days. All right, but anyways, guys, if you guys want my system, I do have a premium Discord. I'm going to show you that right here. It looks like this, a premium chat. I try to be very much active. I try to help you guys, anything you want. So in the premium Discord, what you're going to get is you're going to get my alerts. You're going to get my system. You're going to get the education, how to set up your chart. If you want to join, all you have to do is click the link down below in the YouTube comments. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. Please read how to subscribe. Avoid scammers. I will never message or DM you first. All you have to do, guys, is head on over to the service shop in the top left, and you'll see I offer 2 services. They're super cheap, and they're have really high win ratios, and I can prove that in my journal that I record my trades of, you know, the massive results that I have been getting on this system, guys. So for Swing Trading Plus, it's only $6 a month, and that's swing trades, or you can do day and swing trading plus for $12 a month, and you get my day trades and swing trades. And it's so cheap that it's literally, I promise you guys, you're going to make so much more money than that. Like, one trade will cover probably like 5 years worth. like we did, you know, Tesla puts, right? We did NAS. You know, it went up over, we learned it at 140, it went to $6. Obviously, you're not going to get the big, you know, ends of the moves. You're just trying to take consistent profits, right? So if you do the Day and Swing Trading Plus for $12 a month, you have access to all my channels in here. I recommend it. It's only $12, and all these channels will unlock. And do keep in mind, if you do it on computer, it is slightly cheaper than if you do it on your phone because they charge an iOS fee. But yeah, you can look at my RTK journal. Nothing to hide. I post all my trades in here, all my wins and losses, and then I have my education right in here for swing trades, education here for day trades. So do keep in mind, it's a really nice system. I want you guys to be profitable. I know a lot of people were doubting me on the Tesla puts. I was really liking it. I don't know why you wouldn't take a stab at it around in here. You know, you might be off a day or two, but you're going to make some massive money as long as you don't just do a weekly or 0 DTE. Do like a month out, you'll be fine, and then you're going to reap and reward this benefits right up here. This was massive, guys. The premiums were skyrocketing. All right, guys, that's my recap of Tesla. I think we eventually hit the EMA 20, and then we go back up and start making that uptrend. So hope to see you guys in the next video. If you guys like the video, give it a like, subscribe, comment. I'm always going to give you guys bangers, and I'm here to, guys, I'm here to back it up. It's not just gut feeling. It's a system that works. I do trend reversals because I want big, massive candles. I don't want to be waiting and, like right up in this area, you see where it's just at down, up, down, up. I want to make sure the price is moving up. or down, and I do trend reversal. So hope to see you guys in the next video, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side. And join the premium Discord, and you'll be a profitable trader, guys. The link's down below, and I'll see you there. Peace out.